Actually, I write the song is long ago. I like to write the song. I like to compose the song, but I never published the song. But in the 2016, I try publish one album under MSP. MSP is MSP community. MSP membangun semangat berkarya berkreasi, build spirit of working creative. It's about art and entertainment. So this in the 2016, I published one album, dangdut song, mix also have remix music, and this all I compose, I coordinate, and yeah, of course it's not so good. Just because I like to do something about art. So and I love music also. So I want to do something in connected with the music. So yeah. So now it's about 11 done in the 2016. Yeah. Then. Now actually I have a plan for the next album.
What is it about?
Already it's one song I think I sang already in the Facebook.
That one.
Yeah, the pop song.
Pop song.
Yeah, but it's sentimental song. And then already I don't know the musician how many music done already, but send me to. Yeah.
Actually, the songs that you sang, right? The themes are about art, about life. Do you also sing about love?
About love, yes. About life, about spirit, or we hope do something. Don't be shy. Don't be so. Yeah, we must show our art, show our so our culture, so our creation, like that, masuk up. Don't be shy when that is not perfect. Because better we do something unperfect than nothing.